Well, welcome to make that module 8, chapter 8 in the book. We're going to talk about the jury trial. Now, the Sixth Amendment gives you the right to when you're accused of a criminal offense, gives you the right to a speedy and public trial. We'll talk about speedy trials here in the next module, how we get to that point. You also get to have a fair and impartial jury of your peers, and it has to occur in the location where the crime, the jurisdiction, which we talked about last module, the jurisdiction where the crime occurred. And you have to know what exactly you've been accused of, and you have the right to confront witnesses, and a bunch of other rights you have. We're going to talk about that throughout the module here. So the criminal trial in California is set up in a certain number of steps that have to be followed. You can't go to the very end. You have to start at the beginning and work your way through it. So that's what we're going to do in this module. Same thing, work our way through it. So we're going to start with the arraignment, preliminary hearings next, pretrial motions after that, jury selection. Then the trial begins after the jury selection, and the opening statements happen. The prosecution presents their case in chief. The defense presents a case if they feel it's necessary. We'll talk about that. Then the closing statements come along. And after the closing statements, the judge will give what's called jury's instructions to the jury, and that's how they're told how they can look at the evidence. We're going to talk about all this in the upcoming sections of this module. Then after that, the jury goes into deliberations, and if everything works out correctly, they come back with a verdict. If not, they come back with a hung jury, but we'll discuss all that throughout the module here. So stay tuned. Go to the next section.